Ever tried packing snorkeling gear into a suitcase? Traditional fins take up an awful lot of space. Meet the world's first folding fins. They fold down to less than half their regular width when not in use. Each fin features a rubber base that's split laterally down the middle. The two halves of that base are linked via a couple of hinges and by a flexible elastomer membrane that mimics the soft tissues in fishtails. When they need to be packed up, the two halves of each fin are simply folded in toward one another like a book. Once it's time to use the fins, each one is unfolded so it sits flat on the ground. Folding fins are currently crowdfunding on Kickstarter. A pledge of €130, about $144 will get you a pair. The planned retail price is $199.